Hello, I'm going to talk about the mobile. And it's invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876, and wireless communication is by Nikola Tesla in 1818. This invent origin for the need to communication with the other people and is given at the beginning of Second World War. The cell phones are transformed to the necessity for the old people. The people before get out your house checks have your cell phones. For example, one person forget his cell phone, immediately he felt lost in the world. I use my cell phone for speak with the other people in the other state or country. I love that. I take photos with my friends, play games, send message, and surf in the internet. I choose this invention because I think that the cell phones is the important object for the people and change his life because make the communication more easy. This invention changed life the people because the people can speak with the person who want. In this case, don't care the ubication or distance. That is possible thanks at technology. In the other case, people give more attention and time for his cell phones that is more important his cell phones that speak with the person in front. Thanks for your attention.